Tangent and normal line. So here is the figure. So the pink line is the tangent to the curve. Then the broken line is our normal line. So for example, find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals square root of x squared plus 3 at the point -1 to 2. So, first, we will find the derivative of the equation. So, we have 1/2 x squared plus 3 raised to the power of 1/2 times 2x, which is the radical sign. We express it into exponential. So we have x squared plus 3 raised to 1/2. Then, after that, in finding the derivative, we will multiply the exponent to the coefficient of the equation. So we have 1/2 quantity of x squared plus 3 raised to 1/2 times 2x, which is the derivative of the equations inside the quantity. So we have x over square root of quantity x squared plus 3. It becomes x because when we multiply 2x times 1/2, we have 2x over 2. Cancel the 2, so we have x. Then, substitute the value of x, which is -1. So, we have -1 over quantity of square root -1 squared plus 3. Then, simplify. So, we have -1. Then, square root of -1 squared plus 3 is equal to 2, which is -1 times -1 is 1 plus 3, 4. So, the square root of 4 is 2. That's why we have -1/2. So, that is our slope. So, in tangent line, we have y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, substitute the values of x and y. So, we have y equals 2, which is the value of y, equals the m, which is our slope, which is -1/2, times x plus the value of x sub 1, which is 1. So, we will use cross multiply or division and multiplicative inverse. So, we have 2 times y equals 2y. Then, 2 times -2, we have -4 equals. So, -1 times x, we have -x. Then, -1 times +1, we have -1. Then, we will use additive inverse. So, we have x plus 2y equals 3. Then, x becomes positive. It's because it is transferred into another side. Then, -4 plus 1. So, we have 3. Or we have x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. That is our tangent line. And then, our slope line. So, we have the equation y sub 1 equals m times quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, substitute the value of x and y. So, we have y minus 2 equals, in our slope in normal line, our slope in normal line is the negative reciprocal of the slope in tangent line. So, we have 2. Because the reciprocal of -1/2 is -2, then since it is negative reciprocal, so negative times negative equals positive. So, we have 2. So, we have 2 times x plus 1. Then, We will use distributive properties. So we have y minus 2 equals 2x plus 2. Then we will use additive inverse. We have negative 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0. So that is our normal line. So here is our graph. So that green is our tangent line and the blue is our normal line.